Hi you guys, I've got a Fashom box for the month of July and I'm excited to get into this box. I give you a little bit of background. It's $15 styling fee which applies to your purchase if you make a purchase. They send you pictures of everything before they ship it, so you can say there's something you don't want, or if you want to trade, you know, like they had sent me everything, I approved it, and a skirt that I had approved they said wasn't available anymore, so I ended up asking for black capris, and so they were able to find some in my size. And so let's see what we got. So they start off, you get a little hello beautiful. I haven't gotten a Fashom in a while. I don't know why. The last one I got, I kept all 5 items. And then you know the prices. Yeah, you do know the prices ahead of time. And then if you keep, I believe if you keep all the items, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 or more, you get 25% off. So they really try to make it work for you with the discounts. If you refer a friend, you get $10 credit, and then the person who signs up gets a $10 credit. So I'll get a return envelope. Like so whatever you don't want, you can return. Here's my bundle. So let's see. Ooh. Okay. So let's see what we got. This looks totally different than the picture. Okay, let's see. So first I have a top. And this top is by MTS. So here's the front. And it's green, beige, and black. And then here's the back. Let's see if I can make it so you can see it better. So it's got like an open back. And I didn't even realize this had black in it. So that's kind of cool. We'll see what that looks like. And then this one, okay. This is a blue top. This is also by MTS. This is one of those. And I thought I was kind of over this, but I really liked the color. So I thought, well, why not try it? I might like it. So that's the front. And here's the back. And those are both size medium, and they look like very generous mediums. And white birch. Here's another blouse. It's supposed to be an off-the-shoulder blouse. That's cute. Is this black? Yeah, this is black. And then it has the tie front. So we'll see how that looks. It's really soft. This is super soft, and I didn't even realize it has little buttons on it. So that's super cute. And these must be the pants. Okay, these are Daz, D-A-Z-Z pants. But these are more like, kind of like dress pant material. I don't know. But I do like the little zipper detail on the bottom, and they do seem like they're capris. It's supposed to be a size 8, so we'll see. And then the last thing is this dress. It's a maxi dress. Let's see, medium, and it's green, and this is by I Love Joa. Let's see what this looks like. It's got adjustable straps, which I really like. This is super tropical. It's the top, and then it's a maxi. So it may or may not be long enough for me, but I love the print. Super Hawaiian. Okay, so let's try these on. Outfit number 1 is the white birch off-the-shoulder top, $45, and the Daz Millennium ankle zip pants, $48. top number 2 is the Mito Shop Anissa Cold Shoulder Top, $41. Same pants. Seems a little big. Okay, next top is the Mito Shop Robin Twist Back Top, $41. Okay, this last one is the Joa long maxi dress, $48. Well, it's not long on me. Okay, quick wrap up. I liked the pants. I thought they fit really well. They were $45. And I have $15 credits, they'd be $30. And I think I'd get a lot of use out of them, I guess, in the fall. If we're allowed to go anywhere in the fall, I don't know. But I mean, you know, they were comfortable. They're just a little bit more dressy than I usually wear, but with the zipper, I think that kind of gives it more of a casual look. And then the top, the white birch off the shoulder, the black top, the first one I wore with the pants, I really like those together. I thought they looked really good, and that top's $45. So if I were to get both of those, I'd be $76 with the $15 credit I have. Or because they do the 25% off, if I picked one other item and they're all around $40, then my cost would be about $85. So it'd be about $10 more, not even quite $10 more to pick one other piece. I just don't know if I love any of the other pieces. For me, they're all beautiful pieces. They just didn't, the tops felt a little bit big and the dress was too short for me, which is a disappointment because I loved this dress. The pattern is so beautiful. These turquoises, and so I thought, well, maybe I should keep the dress and sell it on Poshmark, since I have a Poshmark store. So let me know your thoughts on what you think I should keep. I have a few days to pick, and stay tuned for another box. See you guys later. Bye.